Acceptance can work like magic remedy if accepted as it is. Hi, I'm Samra and welcome to my channel Nature and Insight. I live in Malaysia. I'm fond of nature and try to find out hidden magical messages. For each one of us, nature has some secret message which we get to know automatically when we spend some time alone with ourselves. When we try to listen the soul's voice, it can be heard at its full pitch in silence. In this video, I will try to reveal some hidden messages. My first hidden message for today is from this purple clitoria flower. It says, I have got unique shape as compared to other flowers. I have got two shades, white from inside and purple outside. Some people like my this unique color combination and some don't. I keep on swinging and singing on my branch. Then it comes this single shade white flower, maintaining its enchanting grace in its own way. Some people like it and some don't. But they are not bothered for what they are being judged. They stays there, welcoming everyone, giving their charm, mesmerizing all around. As humans are relatable, comes in variety of shades. We are not taught to accept people with different shades or what they have got, or with a single shade itself. Acceptance should be taught from initial stages of character building. We are rushing in life. Before it ends, we need to look into ourselves and try to deep clean ourselves. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you feel comfortable.